GlamDollz, welcome back to the channel. If you happen to be a newbie that's passing through, you know, seeing me for the very first time, welcome to the channel. My name is Glam, and I'm known as for being the beauty who's on a budget that loves not breaking her bank for a fabulous look. So I highly encourage that you hit that subscribe button, turn on your bell notifications, therefore you will never miss an upload, period. Like, trust me, you don't want to miss what I be sharing on this channel. You don't want to do that, which brings me to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how I groom my eyebrows. Yes, I'm going to begin re-uploading makeup tutorials here on the channel. And before I get into doing that, one of the questions that's always complimented or asked about in just about every video I'll post is, hey, how do you do your eyebrows? Or, you know, your eyebrows are really nice, especially when I have makeup applied. Oh my gosh. And I really appreciate the compliments you dolls give me, because I am such a stickler when it comes to my eyebrows. Like, the perfect start of a makeup day for me begins with my eyebrows. If I can't get the eyebrows right, I'm not wearing makeup for that day. It's just not going to happen. So I'm here today to show you how I groom them, and I'm going to share with you some things you're going to need just in case if what I'm about to show you interests you and you want to start grooming them this way. At least you will have the tools that's needed. Oh, I have to do a disclaimer before I get too far into this video. When it comes to grooming my eyebrows, I use Nair body cream, okay, hair removal. Now, here is the disclaimer. I am not a dermatologist. I am not an esthetician. I am not a medical professional that deals with anything relevant to skin, okay? I'm not a medical doctor. I'm an everyday average woman who loves not breaking her bank to have a fabulous look, that's sharing with you how she grooms her eyebrows. But FTC guidelines, rules, and regulations requires that I clearly display that to you when it comes to using certain chemicals or products within videos. Okay? Let's get started. So anyhow, as I was saying, I use Nair body cream when it comes to me grooming my eyebrows. Personally, this is super fast, very effective, and long lasting when I use the Nair body cream. By the way, this is not no sponsored video. Hello, they are not sponsoring me talking about this product right here. I'm just showing you the product that I use to groom my eyebrow that works really, really well for me, which is the Nair body cream. Now, on the back of this packaging right here, it tells you this is for legs, arms, underarms, and bikini area. Clearly, I'm going to be using it on the face area. That is also why it tells you on the back of this right here, not for use on face. Not for use on face. Oh, and one more thing. I'm recording this video in natural daylight, so if the lighting fluctuates within the video like it's doing right now, the camera is just trying to readjust, and that is Mother Nature rolling her clouds and sunlight all around, and the camera is just trying to readjust. Okay? Okay, back to the video. So, like I was saying, it tells you not for use on face. However, I'm going to use it on my eyebrow area of my face. Okay, this is why I gave you the disclaimer that I gave you in the beginning of the video. So, like I said, I'm using the Nair body cream. I'm going to be using a white eyeliner. There's no particular name, brand, whatever. As long as it's a regular white eyeliner, that is what can be used. I'm going to be using a regular white eyeliner, but any white one will do. Another thing I'm going to be utilizing within this video is some Bacitracin. Yes, this is the Bacitracin Ointment. You can get this from your local pharmacy. The reason why I use this is because after I groom and take the stuff off and finish the eyebrow, I like to apply just a little bit of this. And this is used for first aid help to prevent infection in minor cuts, scrapes, or burns. So because I'm using Nair, and Nair can possibly burn the skin, hence why I'm using the Bacitracin, so it doesn't mess up my skin. That's why I'm using that. And like I said, I'm sharing with you my tools that I have when it comes to me grooming my eyebrows. Most important thing of all I have is a spoolie. I just use that to help brush, or you can call it an eyebrow brush, whatever has a brush on its end, you can use that when it comes to grooming your eyebrow. And last but not least, a eyeliner brush. Looks like this right here. Make sure it's on an angle. This one is on an angle, that one is on an angle. So those are the items that's going to be needed that I tend to use when grooming my eyebrows. And of course, from this point forward, you're going to get a voiceover, because I like to concentrate and zero in on this, because this is such an important thing to me. Oh my gosh, I have to keep doing this throughout the video. I am not a dermatologist. I am not an esthetician. I am not a medical professional that deals with anything relevant to skin. Okay, I'm not a medical doctor. It is not intended for you to use any of these products that I've just displayed and showed you within this video. And I sincerely apologize for sounding repetitive in saying that, but FTC guidelines, rules, and regulations requires that I clearly display that to you when it comes to using certain chemicals or products within videos. Okay, let's get started. Okay, GlamDollz, I'm starting out by brushing both sides of my eyebrows. I'm just brushing them up because gravity can tend to bring them down. I'm going to take the white eyeliner pencil and gently underneath the brow area start shaping the arch points. This is so important, so make sure you definitely take your time in doing so. This is what's going to define the shape of your actual eyebrows. As you can see, I'm focusing in on the high point area, doing the angles, making sure it's okay. Taking a little bit of the Nair product, because a tiny bit of this is definitely going to go a long way. And I'm going to apply it only on the white eyeliner. Yes, we only focusing on the white eyeliner where the new hair growth has been growing. We're not bringing this down on the eyelid. Please do not bring it down. As you can see, only on the white eyeliner portion, I am strategically placing it in a patting motion. I'm going back to get a little bit more, and I'm going to do the above my lip area. Again, I'm patting it on. I'm not smearing with pressure. I'm patting it on to cover the hairs. I'm going to set my timer for 4 minutes and wait for that to set in. Now that the 4 minutes have passed, I'm going to very quickly remove the product only from the area in which I applied it. Do not drag this down into your eye area, mobile eye area. We don't do that, hence why the product tells you don't use this on your face. Too many accidents have happened. I'm going to repeat this same process on the upper lip area, and now I'm going to share with you the final end result for me using this. Okay, so there. So GlamDollz, I've taken off the Nair, and this is some of the gross. Disclaimer, if you don't want to see it, turn away. But this is what came off. So this was from my lip. Okay, this is from the lip, and this is what I got from the 2 eyebrows here at the bottom. That was it. So now what I'm going to do is just take a warm washcloth to wipe off. Well, first I'm going to pat, I'm going to pat it, because remember we was dealing with Nair, so I don't want to rub it too fast. Okay, I'm going to pat first and pat around, pushing upward, pat around the eyebrow, away from the eyes. Let's get a close-up so you can see what it's looking like. Okay, came out pretty decent, right? I think I got my eyebrows to look pretty much better than what they were. And I did the lip area. It's going to be a little bit red because of the rubbing I was doing, and also because I did use the Nair, hence why I said I'm gonna use the Bacitracin, because my skin can feel a bit irritated right now. So just tapping it to get the ointment on my fingertip. A little bit is going to go a long way. Put that on the eyebrows as such. Just like this. And yeah, this is pretty much it, GlamDollz. This is how I groom my eyebrows myself, saving a ton of money. And this is just a way amongst a plethora of different other ways anyone can groom their eyebrows. This is a way that works well for me, and I decided to share it with you all. This have just now concluded the video. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Everything that I've shared and used with you, I will be sure to list it down within the description box below. And if there's any links to any of the things that I can share with you, I am no gatekeeper. That too will be down in the description box below. So now I'm gonna go and enjoy my eyebrows, but I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls. So good, so good. I like what I'm looking at.